Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Cybertruck. First, get comfortable with the distinctive steering yoke, which offers a different feel than a traditional steering wheel. All essential functions, from climate to navigation, are managed through the large central touchscreen. To begin driving, simply swipe up on the right side of the screen to engage drive or down for reverse. It's an intuitive system once you get the hang of it. The Cybertruck's mirrors and steering yoke are adjusted digitally through the touchscreen, allowing for precise customization. You'll quickly notice the strong regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery and reduces the need to use the brake pedal frequently. Explore the different drive modes, like off-road or Baja, to optimize performance for various terrains and conditions. These modes significantly alter the vehicle's suspension and power delivery. Driving the Cybertruck is an exhilarating experience, offering instant torque and surprisingly agile handling for its size. However, its substantial dimensions require extra attention, particularly when navigating tight spaces or parking. Fortunately, the advanced driver assistance systems, including autopilot and parking assist, are there to help you drive more safely and confidently. Take advantage of these features to enhance your overall driving experience. The Cybertruck features an adaptive air suspension, allowing you to adjust the ride height for various conditions, from highway cruising to serious off-roading. Its innovative steer-by-wire system provides incredibly precise control and a unique driving feel, making the large vehicle surprisingly nimble. Remember to stay hydrated on your adventures. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your Cybertruck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.